everyone, welcome back to Salmon and Cod Playtime. You ready to come play with me today? Great. All right, today we're going to be playing with some angles, okay? Let's measure some angles today. Let's see how big we can make them. You want to? So we're going to put the middle right there. Remember how we make our angles? We're going to make this angle going just like this. Okay, let's measure it. Ready? Today, we've got a little cat measure to help us out, okay? So we're going to take the middle of the end of the angle here, the little point, and we're going to put that right in the middle, right where that cat nose is. Okay, right there. Then we're going to line up this line, the 0 degree line, right here with this line. Okay, now let's move our other ear and see where this angle falls. Let's see, let's line it up. Oh, that looks like a perfect, like it lined up just perfect. Look, that landed at the 50. So that's a 50-degree angle. Good job, everyone. See how it lines up with the 50? That's a 50-degree angle. Let's try again. Let's see what other shape we can, or what other size we can make here. Here we go. What if it went this way? Let's measure that one. Middle of the circle, right there with your kitty cat nose, right in the middle. All right, we got this lined up to 0. See how that one's lined up with 0? Okay, let's move this cat ear right here until we line her up. There it is. That is lined up right there. And that's going to put us at a 70-degree angle. Do you see it? Do you see how that line lines up with 70? Good. That's a 70-degree angle. So we would actually take this right here. We'd draw the little angle sign, and we'd put 70 degrees. Good job, everybody. Good job. Let's go again. What if we did a line that went that way this time? Hey, why not? Okay, let's line her up. Ready? Middle with the kitty cat nose. Right there. Okay, make sure that this one, that the 0, make sure it lines up 0, going straight with that line right there. Now let's move this kitty cat ear and let's see what degree of angle this is. This is a, what does that say? 120. That angle hits right at the 120 mark, a little over. I'd say probably about 122. So that is a 122-degree angle. Do you see the whole thing if I move my big hand here? If I moved my big hand, can you see that? All right. So we're going to come right here. We're going to draw our angle. Right here, we're going to draw our little angle sign. And we're going to put, what did I say that was? I said that was a 122, I believe. 122. There it is. Good job, everybody. Let's go again. This time, let's make it a little, whoops, I don't know why I'm putting that right there. Let's make it a little smaller this time. Let's make it a cute, cute, cute. I like little acute lines, so let's make it a cute. Let's put this right here where the kitty's nose is. You always want to line up your nose. Then we got to line up this one with 0. You see that? See, that is lined up with 0 now, going all the way across. Now let's move our other little kitty ear. And let's line this little kitty ear up. Whoops. Let's try to put this little kitty ear on top. There we go. Okay, line it up. What angle do you think that gives us if I can move my big hands out of the way? There we go. Can you see that? Well, it's near the 20, but it's a little over. I would say that's probably a 24-degree angle because it's just a little bit more than 20. So we're going to call that a 24-degree angle. Very good. Let's make our angle right here. And let's put 24 degrees. Very good. 24-degree angle. Very good, everyone. Let's use little kitty cat again. Let's see. What if we had an angle that looked... Oh, that pink is pretty. I love the pink. I always think it's so pretty. Let's go right here. It's not a 90-degree angle because a 90-degree angle would go straight. Would go straight like that. So this is just a little off from a 90-degree angle. Let's see what this angle is. Line up the middle with the kitty cat nose. Just like that. Then make sure that this line equals 0. This line right here always has to be on 0. Okay, and it is. Can you see that? It's on 0. Now let's move our ear around. I said it's going to be less than 90, and it is. I was right. We line that up. just right. Going straight down, that looks like 85 degrees because it's in between the 80 and it's in between the 90. Good job, everyone. That's an 85-degree angle. So let's move this. Let's come right here. We're going to draw our angle symbol, and we're going to put, what did I say, 80? Well, I'm writing that my direction, not your direction. Let's try that again. 80-degree angle. There it is. You guys are so good at this. All right, let's try one more just because we can. What if I did? Oh, we'll make this one extra fun. What if I made it go straight across? What if I made a diameter? What if I made it go straight across? What's that going to equal? Do you remember? Well, here's our dot. So we got to put that where the kitty cat nose is. Okay. Then we got to turn it to line this side up right here with 0. See how that lines up right there on that 0 mark? Then you hold your finger there so that it doesn't move because you don't want the cat to move, just the ears. Now we got to move this kitty cat ear. All right, where does that line up? At 180. That's right, because a straight line is 180 degrees. Isn't our little cat cute when its little ears are flat? They're so cute. All right, let's move little cat. Let's draw our angle. A straight line will always be 180 degrees. There it is. Thank you guys so much for playing with me. I had a really good time. Let's play again, okay? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, everyone.